Okay guys, so in this lesson we're going to be learning about strings, which is pretty much the most fundamental data type in Xcode and very, very essential in programming iOS apps. So here we have a string. This is a type. This is the name of the string, and then this is the components. What it is basically just a series of characters. And as you can see, it takes all types of letters. It takes spaces. You can put commas. You can put really anything. You can even put emojis, although that would probably not be useful. So here I'm going to show you a few things we could do with strings. Alright, so I'm going to make a string of my full name. So first name equals Zach. And then we're going to make my last name equals Sadui. So I'm going to run it. And here you can see prints out Zach Sadui as strings. That's what it would print out. So here we're going to make my full name. Var full name Jesus equals, and there's many ways to do this. The first way we're going to use is we're going to add, basically add. So we're going to put first name plus last name. And that would print out Zach Sadui, but we always have to put a space in between in order to differentiate between the names. So we're going to print that out, and that gives us Zach Sadui, my full name. We could also do this. Var full name 2 equals, we create a string, but we put this in front, signifying that we're going to add another string into it. First name, actually, it's this, and then in parentheses, and then again this, and then parentheses, and then last name. And that should print out the same exact thing. And there we have it, same exact thing. Now we also have another way of doing it. We could so we're just gonna do first name dot append, and then we're gonna add a space, and then last name. So that should print out the full name. Yep. But we don't want that in first name, so we're just going to make full name 3 equals first name and then basically we got to make a var. So var, and then we have a new variable, full name 3, which prints out the same thing. So as you can see, there's several ways of doing this. Alright, so now we're going to go over a different thing, which is pretty cool. So we're going to create a new string. We're just going to name it show equals the Twilight Zone. And as you can see, it just prints out the Twilight Zone, but it's not capitalized. It just looks unprofessional. So if you ever just want to capitalize something real quick, all you got to do is hit that, and there you have it. Just capitalizes each word. which is a pretty cool feature. So as you can see, there's many, and that's just a basic understanding of what you can do with strings. When you actually get to programming and making loops and making arrays and all of that, strings are basically essential, and there's a lot of unique things that you can do with them, and a lot of crucial things for programming that require strings. So hope you learned a lot in this lesson, and join me in the next one.